In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an artboard as a PDF file. Whether you're working on a design project or compiling your creative work for a portfolio, knowing how to efficiently export your artboard is an essential skill. Let's walk you through the process, step by step, ensuring clarity and ease all along the way. First, you'll want to make sure that you've selected the artboard you intend to export. This is quite simple. Just click either on the artboard's name or its border. By doing this, you ensure that your preferences are accurately set, and no unwanted elements unintentionally become part of your export file. This initial selection process establishes the foundation for a seamless workflow. Once your artboard is selected, it's time to navigate to the File menu, which you'll find in the upper left corner of your interface. Click on File, and then slide down to Export. Here, you'll see various export options, but for today's purpose, you should choose Selected. This ensures that only the artboard you've just clicked on will be exported. Selecting only the intended artboard is crucial, especially in cases where your project contains multiple artboards. Next, the Export dialog box will appear on your screen. In this box, you'll need to specify your format preference. Since we're focusing on exporting as a PDF, go ahead and select PDF under the Format options. Choosing PDF format is particularly useful when you need to maintain the integrity of your design with high quality, suitable for professional presentations or print materials. After selecting the format, you'll be prompted to determine the export options, such as your destination folder and desired file name. It's important to choose an easily accessible destination folder to avoid any hassle later on when retrieving your file. Also, consider naming your file logically and consistently, which can greatly improve your organization's workflow and make file management far more efficient. Finally, with all these settings in place, simply click on the Export button. Clicking Export will save the artboard in the PDF format to your chosen destination, maintaining the quality and clarity of your original design. Now, your artwork is safely saved, ready to be shared, printed, or further edited as needed. And that wraps up today's tutorial. Thanks for following along as we explored exporting an artboard to a PDF file. By now, this process should feel straightforward and accessible, empowering you to manage your design exports efficiently and effectively. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one, and happy designing!